I am your brother in Christ, and we have finally finished our Patreon. Well, I have. My wife is still working on hers, but I have got mine up and running, as you can see here. The link to this will be in the description below, but it is very simple. It's just Patreon/ your brother in Christ. No spaces. So, let's look at the prettiness I have here. I have selected multiple levels that we have gone through, and I did a military theme, well, medieval military theme for it, starting off with levies, because I like that word and not a lot of people use it anymore. So just the access to the Patreon only community, which I am active in very, very much so. And I am constantly uploading and showing behind the scenes videos, what is going on with Little Boy, all that fun stuff. We go ahead and do Man at Arms. We have your name in the credits of each video, and I will have that at the end of each video, as well as access to the Patreon only content, which you'll see that happening a lot. Because there's no point in being a Patreon if I can't get access to it anyway. I've seen some people do it. So, we have the night above that, which I will review and give pointers and promote your channel in a live stream. Also, your name in the credits, yada yada yada, same as before. So we have the Night Captain below that one. Monthly Patreon only live streams. We'll get on there together, as well as a yearly t-shirt that is only available for patrons of this rank or higher. And then all the other same below that. Above that, all the others. So Crusader above that one. The additional benefit is a monthly phone call, actually. I get to talk to you. Woohoo! If you want to. I mean, it's optional. You don't have to. If you really don't want to. But we can discuss any topic, whether it be theological or politics or whatever. We'll go ahead and chat and see where it goes from there. And if we got something good, I might just go ahead and ask you to do a video with me. So we'll find out. So above that, we have what my wife calls a swag bag. Basically, we send out a bag of stuff, and I'm like, I want a big bag of stuff. And I was going through this, and I'm like, oh, I could put this in, I could put this in, I could put this in, I could put this in. And I'm like, I could do this every year. This would be cool. So I have a whole list of things that I want to do for the swag bag, but I don't have anyone in that category yet. And then plus all the other benefits before that one. You know, the Crusader does have a limited number of people there, just because I can't call that many people. Although if you want to go all the way up to the Shadowkin level, then yes. So we got our About updated with a nice little video, which I'm not going to show you. You have to go there yourself to see it. And then we've got all my content that I've got locked behind the wall, and some that I don't. So lots of updates, lots of polls on what videos to go through, as well as goals that we can accomplish together. First of all is reaching $10 a month, because I wanted something that wouldn't be too hard or too much of a stretch. We'll do a live stream with all of the Patreons, where you guys will be VIPs. We'll all join in together. Promoting videos, promoting whatever. Go with it. Have fun. If $50 a month, we will be doing... I'll give my son a swimming pool. Go get one of those little kiddie swimming pools, make some videos, post it up there for the Patreons. Have it a gift from you guys to my son, and show you how he's enjoying it. He loves swimming pools. Well, my grandmother, his great-grandmother, has one of those kiddie pools, and he has a blast on there with his second cousins, just playing away with it. Splashing, splashing, splashing. So much water on the ground. But he enjoys it. So, if we get up to 100 per month, we have our first real serious VIP live stream. But hey, with a twist, game and prizes. I want to give away a lot of things. I like giving things back. I like giving things back to you guys who help make this content. That's why with the Patreons, you are also deciding what videos come up. Any suggestions with that? If I take your suggestions, I'll be making a special mention to you guys. But at $100 per month, we do our live stream again, a live stream party, but with gifts such as a $50 gift card. C.S. Lewis's classic 8-book set. Now that is a fantastic set. Really is. Screw tape letters, whole ton of good books in there, and that's some seriously good theological grounding. C.S. Lewis was one of the best authors that I know of. Seeking Allah, Finding Jesus will be also something I will be giving away because I love Nabil, and I'll plug his book wherever I get an opportunity to. And of course, your Brother in Christ t-shirts will be there and more because I have not yet made up everything, but I want more there. I want to have a whole ton, and the only ones that will be available for this will be Patrons, who will be able to get the prizes and play the games. It will be live streamed to everyone, but only the VIPs will be entered into the prizes and the giveaways. So at 250, we have got, and I'll take my son and wife to the aquarium as a gift from all the Patreons again. I will post pictures and videos. This is more for my wife. She's really looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to sharing that with my son because he will love seeing all the fishies. So at 500, we will be doing another VIP party. If you don't see, there's a trend. It goes VIP party, gift for a little boy. VIP party, gift for a little boy. Back and forth, back and forth. Just because if I'm not giving to you guys, I want to be giving to my son. That's basically where the heart is. It's either to my son or to you guys. So $100 gift card, because I want, with these VIP parties and games, I want to raise the bar each time. So $100 gift card, and also Tactics, which is a great and excellent book. If you have not read it, it would be greatly encouraged that you do. I'm going through it again, and it is fantastic. So at 750, if we reach that, I would get my son a trampoline, and I'm not talking about a little trampoline. I'm talking about a big trampoline. My wife will most likely enjoy it more than little boy will. So the next one will be at 1,000. We want to do a below the roof off live stream party. We want to give away prizes as the following, and these would be the same rules as all the others, which would be Patrons only are entered into the prizes and the games, and go through that whole thing. YouTube Apologist Starter Kit, basically. A microphone, and I want a fancy one. I don't want a cheapy one. No. I don't do cheapy when it comes to my giveaways. The boom microphone I use. I'm going to give that, a similar one away, not the one I use. I need that for stuff. For recording, that's kind of the whole purpose. Webcam, which I can't show you the one I use, but it's a good one. It's a Logitech. And, of course, a tripod, so you can get really started on this. Followed up with Seeking Allah, Finding Jesus, Tactics, and a live stream to boost your channel. So I'll also be backing you up, trying to get you going, whoever wins that. And then, of course, 5 times the $100 gift cards and more, because I haven't made up all of it yet. I figured I have a little bit of time before getting there, unless you guys really blow my mind. In that case, I will be scrambling. So, at double that, I will be taking my wife and son on vacation as a gift, again, from all the Patreons. I'll post pictures and videos for Patreon only view. So you guys will be able to see that. So, and as you guys, if you guys choose to join us on this, go to Patreon, sign up. If you become one of the Patreons, you'll get a lot of updates, a lot of behind the scenes, what's going on with Little Boy, the outtakes from all the times that he has kind of messed up my recordings. It's not easy recording with a little boy, but it's so rewarding, and the outtakes are brilliant. So thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to go ahead and turn you guys over to the giveaway that we have going on right now. It's that time again in our video where I come in and tell you about our fantastic giveaway. This month we are giving away this fancy dancy laptop case, 15-inch. Got my logo on it. It's very fancy. My wife did it. She did a fantastic job. She runs her own YouTube channel, which is all about art and stuff that's way beyond me. So we have that to give away. But the question, how do you win it? Well, it's free to enter. So what you need to do, first of all, is you need to subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, again, don't worry about it. Just skip the first step. Then comment on the video. Send me an email to lordscrusader@gmail.com. The subject needs to be 06/14/2020. That is the date of the giveaway. Followed by giveaway. In the body, we need your name or something you want me to call out during the live stream giveaway of this, and your address as well as a message from you. I need your address so I know where to ship this. If it does not have a current address on it, you won't be getting anything because I won't send it to you. So take a few minutes. If you want to enter into that, it is free, and I look forward to reading your name in our giveaway.
Alright, so Sam is going live in 2 hours. The link to his channel is in the description box. And definitely check that out. And be back tomorrow. Same time. And we'll probably jump right in tomorrow on to the topic of Muslims deifying their prophet. If you learn that, ladies and gentlemen, it's ball game. We talk about ball game in different ways, like if, since the Quran affirms the Bible, then the Quran self-destructs. We talk about things like that. But I mean, what Muslims really regard as their bread and butter is that they are the religion of pure monotheism. You can actually show that they are saturated in idolatry and man worship. You're going to lead them out of Islam. So learn the material. All right, catch everyone tomorrow. Christ is risen, risen indeed. Take care.